terminated his NCC candidature for one fraud, which I noticed, which is against the Indian defense norms. Then I did not speak. I was very annoyed with him. 17 complaints came against that boy. But that boy has taken a cue. He came to me. He said, "Sir, I'm sorry. I will not repeat it. Then I have restored his NCC bandship." See, the question is, I do not want you to come and apologize. At least you have to come and tell me, sir, where you got hurt. I should not get the information from a third person. ఇప్పుడు మీ ఇంట్లో మీరున్నారు, మీ మేడం గారు ఉన్నారు, బాబు ఉన్నాడు, పాప ఉంది, మీ నాన్నగారు ఉన్నారు, అమ్మగారు ఉన్నారు, అందరు ఉన్నారు. మీ నాన్నగారు మీరు మీ నాన్నగారిని ఒక మాట అన్నారు కోపంలో. మీరు ఇంట్లో వచ్చి దాన్ని సమాధానం పరుచుకుంటారా లేదా థర్డ్ పర్సన్ కు వీధిలో పోయి మనం థర్డ్ పర్సన్ కు చెప్తామా? చెప్పండి సార్. మల్లయ్య గారు, యూ డు నాట్ హ్యావ్ ఎన్ ఆన్సర్.
సార్ అది సార్ ఒక పరిస్థితుల్లో ఎమోషన్ అండ్ యాంగ్రీ అనేది మన కంట్రోల్లో ఉండదు సార్.
అదే ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. నౌ యూ హావ్ కమ్ టు ద రైట్ పాయింట్. When I heard a PET in Hyderabad region manipulated 11th class mark slip and without evaluating marks of the answer scripts of class 11 students, he had directly gave the marks on the mark sheet, the answer script. But I was not charged against him. Number one, I called him and warned. And another PET who has entered into a very heinous act, Mallaya, you must be knowing this.
No, sir, not really, sir. I do not know, sir. I do not know.
Heinous act. Then
I do not know, sir.
I am not supposed to tell this. Oka PET matlab chala heinous crime lo irukkunnadu.
Sir.
Surya Prakash knows it. How I have been vehemently trying to help the boy. I am finding ways and means to save the boy. See, it is for anybody very easy, Mallaya garu. Inkoti cheptuna, hello, Mallaya garu, hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
I am audible, na? See, I just want to tell one thing. Okay, Madhusudan Reddy has behaved indecently with me and indifferently with me. No issues. But at least he should have given respect for my age and my at least stature in the region. At least for my stature and the command in the region. Anyhow, thank you very much. But still, I really appreciate Mallaya garu for having been with me. And
సార్ మేమందరం మీకు బాగా తెలుసు సార్, పర్సనల్ గా తెలుసు, మసూద్ గారు నేను తెలుసు సార్.
తెలవడం వేరు సార్. మొత్తం ఇంటర్నెట్ లో మీరు ఏమేం చేస్తారు ఆయన తెలుసు కదా, మీకు తెలుసు కదా. కర్మణ్యేవాధికారస్తే మా ఫలేషు కదాచన మా కర్మ ఫల హేతుర్భు మాతే సంకోతోకరమి. कर्म का फल 100% मिलेंगे लोगों को. हमें कोई मैं करता नहीं बनना चाहता. It will come back to them. I don't want to do anything. It will come back. It will haunt them. श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो निघ्नः परधर्मात् भयावहः तस्मात् धर्मेण मृत्युः घोषः. భగవద్గీతలో ఎంత భయంకరంగా శ్లోకం చెప్పాడంటే ఆయన శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్ముడు, నా ధర్మాన్ని నేను నిర్వర్తించిన అయినా కూడా అడిగారు. I have already apologized 5 times and finally one more time I am apologizing all PETs, all principals, and I promise in future you will not find my voice coming over anywhere. My voice will not be heard by anybody.
Sir,
this is my prayer. today.
సార్ మీరు మా బాస్ సార్ ఇమీడియట్ గా రీజనల్ ఆఫీస్ లో మాకు అవసరాలు ఉన్నా మీతో దగ్గరికి రావాలి. ఆ, కాబట్టి
మల్లయ్య గారు, మల్లయ్య గారు,
సార్
మల్లయ్య గారు,
సార్
నేను వచ్చిన తర్వాత
సార్
rate at which the files are being disposed at regional office is
Yes,
the
sir.
accuracy of 98%. It is not my word, it is the word of KVS headquarters.
Yes, sir.
98% accuracy.
సార్
Zero grievances. Zero
Sir.
pendency of bills. Zero pensionary cases. Zero arrears pending. The
Sir.
issue is anybody
Sir.
who has spoken to me, I am accessible 24/7/365 to everybody. I need not tell this. Surya Prakash and me sometimes speak even at night 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Night 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock we speak. And to discuss regarding the sports activities only. He is your friend also, Surya Prakash. You asked
I know,
me
sir.
to tell you. Did
Yes,
I
yes,
ever
we-
talk about any PET?
No, Surya Prakash used to tell us, sir, always whenever they speak to you on important matters.
But the due regards were supposed to be given to your parent. Anyhow, not an issue. I do not have any grievance, but I'm such a parenty figure. I can apologize as many times as you people. I apologize. This is the 7th time, 9th, 8th time I'm telling. I apologize everybody once again by name to everybody. Principals also I apologize. Thanks for teaching me a lesson. For an officer who is a straightforward in his right integrity. Thanks a lot. I really remember this in my life. And Hyderabad region, for all these reasons only, I never wish to come for Hyderabad region. But unfortunately, they wanted me to be in Hyderabad. That's why I've come. Anyhow, I have no issues. Now let us come to the point. Any other PET would like to share their grievance? I think two are already completed. And thank you very much, Malay Garu.
Sir, thank you, sir.
So much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes. Surya?
Sir,
Surya?
thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
So,
thank you, sir.
I think now the next proceedings can be taken up, my dear.
sir, thank you, sir.
The issue.
Okay, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Adi. Namaskaram. Thank you.
Sir, thank you for accepting the sentiments of the PETs and everything. Thank you very much, sir, and sorry for the inconvenience caused to you.
No,
The
not
main
at
point
all.
is that one. The
Please
main point.
don't say. See, in a fit of anger, Surya, sometimes
Sir.
even your father and brother will lose the tongue.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we are with you, sir. We are with you, sir. It is very much required. Your guidance and cooperation, your help, always is required,
Sir, I'll tell you, Mallaya,
sir.
the way the tidbits were written there. Tidbits. It's very painful and gruesome. But God forbid that my voice will never be heard by any PET now. And of course the principals. I would never speak to now anybody. Only my ACs will speak. This is the last day that I would ever interact with my principals and my PETs and my teachers. Because all along, all these days, I have been thinking that they are all my family, I have to protect them. Fine, no issues. I take your approach is a lesson for my life. Because one has to learn the life. I have learned the life. My father used to tell, Karmena Pratirupa Lakshmi. That last, I forgot. That word my father used to say, a Sanskrita sloka. So, I heard and I learned. Thank you very much. And I would request now Surya to start with the proceedings of, and if Madhusudan Reddy and any other PT not satisfied, still they want anything else from my side, I will. Thank you. Surya Prakash.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
And your guidance and help is always required, sir. You are a fatherly figure. We accept it. And the first and foremost thing is, many queries have been raised regarding summer coaching camps.
Please.
The clarification has been given.
Please.
And the